Let us continue with exercise 8D trigonometry. Question number 12. We have to prove that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Here we have square root, and then we want only 2 cosec theta. So let us first try to remove the square root. How to remove? We don't have identity, we cannot use relation. So let us rationalize it. We have here plus, then we rationalize same number but opposite sign. So plus we rationalize with minus. The one which multiply down, we also take it up. Then in another square root also same, we have sec theta minus 1. We will rationalize with its conjugate. So sec theta remains same, 1 remains same. But instead of minus, we rationalize with plus. Then the one which we write down, we also have to take it up. Then if we look here both with minus, since we want to remove the square root, we will write it as whole square. Then here we can apply a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Then sec square theta minus 1, from identity we know it is equal to tan square theta. Here also the same, both are plus, we can write square. Down we can apply a minus b, a plus b, which is a square minus b square. 1 into 1, 1. Then sec square theta minus 1, from identity we have tan theta. Then here now we have to remove the square. So square and square we can take common from both sides. Here also, because first we need to remove the square root. Okay, then since now we get square, okay, here, so sec theta minus 1 square, square and square root cancel, square and square. Here also square get cancel with square root, so it will come out only as sec theta minus 1 by tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 by tan theta. So since we have fraction with plus, we can take LCM. Denominator are same, we can take only one. Numerator will remain the same. Then here we have minus 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Then here we have sec theta, sec theta. So 1 plus 1 will be 2 sec theta. Then in the right hand side, we want only cos sec. So let us change everything to sine and cos. 2 let it remain 2. Sec we know it is 1 by cos. Tan we know it is sine by cos. Cos down we can cancel. So 1 by sine it is equal to cosec theta, and 2 it remain from there, which is equal to right hand side. Then next one also similar. So we have to solve similar way. We'll try to remove the square root by rationalizing. Here we have minus, we have to multiply with plus. Then the one which we write down, we also have to write up. And here we have plus, we have to rationalize with minus. Then the one which we multiply down, we also have to multiply up. Now both are plus, we can write it whole square. Down we can apply a minus b, a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. 1 into 1, 1. So 1 minus sine square, from identity will be equal to cos square theta. Then the other side also goes the same. Both are minus, we can write them whole square. A plus b, a minus b, we can write a square minus b square. 1 into 1, 1. So 1 minus sine square theta, from identity it is equal to cos square theta. Now we get square from both numerator and denominator. So the square will get cancelled with square root from both sides. Then we are left with 1 plus sine theta by cos theta plus 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. But in the right hand side, we want only sec theta. So again, we can take LCM. Denominator both are same. Numerator also will be same. So one sign is minus, one sign is plus. We can cancel. 1 plus 1 we have 2. Then 1 divided by cos theta is equal to sec theta. So which is equal to right hand side. So we prove the relation. Number 3 also goes the same. Let us rationalize. We have minus, rationalize with plus. The one which you write down, we also write it up. Here also, the other side also same. We have plus, we rationalize with minus. Then the one which we write down, we also have to write up. Then if we look up, we have both are plus, so we can write whole square. A minus b, a plus b will be a square minus b square. So 1 into 1, 1, but cos square remains. So now we can apply identity. It will become sine square theta. The other side also same. Both minus, we can write whole square. Here we have a minus b whole square. Then we can replace it to sine square. Now to remove the square root, all the square get cancelled with square root. So we are left with 1 plus cos theta by sine theta. Here also the same. The square and square root get cancelled. We are left with 1 minus cos theta by sine theta. Then we can take LCM. Sine theta same. Numerator also same. So cos plus cos minus will get cancelled. So 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2. Then sine theta. So now, but in the right hand side, we don't want sine theta. So we know that 2 into 1 here will be 2. So 1 by sine theta, it's equal to cosec theta, which is equal to right hand side. Then we'll continue to 13 number 1. We have 1 by sec theta minus tan theta minus 1 by cos theta. We want to prove that it's equal to 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. Just the opposite of one another. Here also there is no square. We cannot apply identity. Then relation also difficult to get. So let us rationalize. We have minus. We rationalize with plus. Then the one which you put down, we also put it up. Then this one from the relation 1 by cos, we know it is equal to sec theta. Then here numerator we cannot do anything. Down we have a plus b, a minus b. We can apply it a square minus b square. Then from identity we know that sec square minus tan square equal 1. So those. Then we are left with sec theta plus tan theta minus sec theta. Sec theta minus sec theta plus. So it can cancel. It is equal to tan theta. So from the left hand side we get only tan theta, but right hand side we want some more else. So let's take that one and solve it the same way. So 1 by cos we know it is equal to sec theta. Then here we have plus, rationalize it with minus. The one we rationalize down, we also have to rationalize up. So those. So then here again we have a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Then this one let be like that. From identity, sec square minus tan square equal to 1. Then here we multiply minus to plus minus, minus to minus plus. So if we compare both 1 sec theta plus 1 sec theta minus, we can cancel. It is equal to tan theta, which is equal to the right hand side. Then next we will see number 2. Here also same. We have 1 by sec theta minus 1 plus 1 by sec theta plus 1. So here, since we don't have square root, no need to rationalize. Let us take LCM. Both the sign are different. We have to take both our LCM. Then if we divide this one with this one, we are left with plus multiplied here. Then plus divide with plus minus multiplied there. So plus 1 minus 1 equals 0. Sec plus sec will be 2 sec theta. Then here we can apply a minus b, a plus b. It become a square minus b square. So 1 into 1, 1. So from identity again, sec square minus 1 we know equal tan square theta. So now we need to convert it everything to sine and cos. Sec theta we know 1 by cos. Tan theta, since it is down, we can write sine theta by cos theta. So cos and cos get cancelled. We are left with sine theta. But in the right hand side, what we want, that we have to check, okay? We want only two cosec theta and cot theta. So we'll try to change everything to that. Then here, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, 1 into 1, 1. So we can use identity, sec square theta minus 1, we have tan square theta. Now change everything to sine and cos. Sec theta we know 1 by cos. Then tan theta we know it is equal to sine square theta by cos square theta. Here we have only 1, here we have 2. So 1 can get cancelled. Okay. So we are left with 2 cos theta. and then sine theta. So this sine square theta, we can write it one this side, one this side. So cos by sine, it is equal to cot theta. 1 by sine theta, from the relation we know it is cosec theta. Then we see that if we check that left hand side, right hand side, that is what we want to prove.